Glen Columbus International Airport, under fair skies, the temperature was 16 degrees, and the relative humidity 84%. The wind calm. The barometric pressure was 30.39 inches and steady. And now conditions for selected locations across Ohio. In Lancaster, fog at 9. And Newark, This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIG. 86 Columbus, Ohio. Public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability will be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity. Rest of today. Partly cloudy late this morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Cold with highs in the lower 20s.
Okay, I saw.
East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, cloudy. A slight chance of snow in the evening.
Alright, the coda kind of failed there for a second.